Mommy's shoes? You found my tennis shoes? Did the Easter Bunny bring my tennis shoes?
No.
No. Okay. Keep looking for that Easter basket, honey.
Do you see the Easter basket? Do you see it anywhere? Where could it be?
I saw my...
Did the Easter Bunny leave that?
Is that it?
What is in there? Grace asked Daddy to help you, maybe. Oh my goodness, Gracie. Did the Easter Bunny leave you a Woody and Buzz game?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, let me see it. What else is in your Easter basket?
What else is in there, Grace?
Is that a Woody and Buzz blanket? Gracie. Oh my goodness, what is that?
Gracie, look at this blankie.
Gracie, look at what Daddy has.
Look at the blanket that the Easter Bunny brought you.
Look it. It's a blanket.
And who's on there?
It's a blanket.
A blanket with Woody and Buzz?
It's Woody and Buzz.
Yeah.
Woody and Buzz. Woody and Buzz.
What else is in your Easter basket, Doodlebug? That is very special.
Do you want me to lay this down so you can sit on it and look in your Easter basket?
Yeah.
Let's go like that.
That looks like some delicious candy that the Easter Bunny left you, Grace. Look at all that candy.
Here, let's set it over here.
I got candy.
Yeah.
I got candy. It's my candy.
Yeah, are you going to share that with Mommy and Daddy?
With the soda.
Yeah. What else is in your basket, Doodlebug?
What else is in there? Can you look? What's this? Grace, what's this? What is that? Can you pick that up?
That's a baby Darla.
That's right.
My baby Darla.
Clothes for
And
your baby Darla.
Does she get 2 new outfits?
Look, Grace. More candy.
Okay, can you say Happy Easter? Can you look at the camera and say Happy Easter? Gracie? Say Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.